ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ díndín, fried chicken stew. We will need sweet red peppers, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomatoes, tomato puree or tin of plum tomato if you don't have fresh garlic, vegetable oil, black pepper, white pepper, mixed herb and salt. Use a whole chicken or chicken portion. Portion the whole chicken into 8 or 10. You will also need a lemon to wash the chicken. Start by washing the chicken, put it in a bowl, take out the fat and the seasoning. Rinse it, cut the lemon into 2 and squeeze it over the chicken, rubbing it in to cut down the fat. Rinse it again until the water is clear. Chop 1 onion, add a couple of cloves of chopped garlic, add a teaspoonful of salt and some seasoning to your chicken. Use your hands to rub it in properly. Put the pot on a high heat. Let it come to boiling. Then turn the heat down and allow it to simmer. Stir the chicken to make sure it's cooked evenly and not sticking or burning. To make sure we have plenty of stock, we will add some more water, about half a pint. Bring it back to the boil, turn the heat down to medium and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken is tender, remove it from the stock. You can either fry the chicken or brown it in the oven. Take the stock and divide it into 2 equal portions. Half is used to cook the stew and half to cook the jollof rice, or can be stored for later use. Peel and roughly chop 1 onion with 1 sweet pepper and 2 fresh tomatoes, including the scotch bonnet. Rinse and blend until smooth. Add the blended mixture to have the stock in the pot. Remember, we are not using artificial stock here, just natural stock from the chicken. Add a teaspoon each of black pepper, white pepper, salt, and if you want, you can add a bay leaf and some thyme. Then add 2 cooking spoons of vegetable oil. Bring to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to medium. Let the sauce cook down until it is separated from the oil. You can see this. Give it a stir now and then while it is reducing so it doesn't stick. Once you reach this stage, the stew is ready. Add your prepared chicken to the pot and cover it with the sauce. Leave it to steam for about 2 or 3 minutes and turn up the heat. That is your fried chicken stew done. See the full recipe at the end. So that's it.